Hey there, welcome to the intro video of the JB Studio, and you might be watching this intro video to get introduced to my channel, obviously, and you might be wondering what is my channel about. Well, my channel is really about lots of topics, just 3 topics, but the main thing that I want to really, get on your nerves is you might be struggling with reading or writing. If it's both, then I can cover each. I'm not that strong in reading, but you can always count me on both. Come on, let's get to it. Alright, first things first. You want to know what content will you see in my channel. The content you'll see in my channel are usually reading tips, writing tips, and news stories, and also sometimes some random videos like my grandma cooking. That's an example. Okay, so you might be wondering what's my upload schedule. Well, my upload schedule is every Sunday at 2 p.m. So keep waiting, fellow fans. Yeah, just keep waiting every Sunday at 2 p.m. Sometimes I'll schedule it, sometimes I won't, but that's a secret. And I hope you enjoy this intro video. Watch my other videos. Bye.